My dear students, what is the simple logic to solve these problems of boat and river relative velocities? Here you should first of all decide whether it is the shortest time or shortest path. That is the first point here. If you see the first problem, he is telling that a person is going to swim with 120 degrees with the river flow. What is the meaning of this question? So here, if this is the direction of river flow, he is making 120 degrees with the direction of river flow, means he is going like this. So this is 120 degrees. So what does it mean 120 degrees? 120 degrees means this angle is 30 degrees and this is going to be 90 degrees. Okay, what is this? This is going to be 90 degrees. This is going to be 90 degrees here. This is 90. So 90 plus 30, completely it is going to be 120. So from the direction of the river flow, he is moving in such a direction that he is making 120 degrees with the river flow. So now, and what else is given? And his swimmer's velocity has given. What is the swimmer's velocity? If you observe, the swimmer is moving in this direction. In this direction, velocity of the swimmer, it is given as 0.5 meters per second. Okay, and is asking us to find out what is the river flow. So this is going to be the river flow. It's very simple. How can you do this one? Sin 30 is equal to VR by VB, velocity of the swimmer. So sin 30 is nothing but 1 by 2. So velocity of the river by velocity of the swimmer is 0.5, which is equal to 1 by 2. This implies that velocity of the river is 0.5 by 2. Your answer is 0.25 meters per second. Okay, so first problem has been completed successfully, because whenever a man is going to move in this direction, but as the river is flowing in this direction, a man, when he tries to cross with 30 degrees with the vertical, then the river will take him exactly to the opposite end. He is able to cross the river in a shortest possible path. So he will reach from A to B, whereas he aims to go to C. His aim is to go to C, but he will reach B. His aim is to go to C, but he will reach B because river will carry him along with this. Okay, so hope you have understood this one. Next thing is, a boat crosses the river with a velocity 8 meters per second. Okay, so velocity of the boat is given. It is going to be 8 kilometers per hour. And what else? Resultant velocity of the boat is also given. So this is the resultant velocity of the boat is also given as how much? 10. So with this it is understood that if the resultant velocity is greater than the boat's velocity, then what happens? That means this is the shortest time. When boat is moving trying to go exactly opposite end, and river is pushing him and making him to travel larger distance, that means you can understand that this is the shortest time. In this shortest time, he will reach the opposite end because he will take the help of the water. Water will help him to move along with its flow, making certain angle, and he will reach the opposite end. So you all know, without solving also you can do the problem, because you all know 8 and 10 are the sides of a right angle triangle. This is the sides of a right angle triangle. According to Pythagoras theorem, 8 and 10 is there, means the next one will become 6 here. 6 kilometers per hour is going to be your answer, because you know 10 square is equal to 8 square plus 6 square. So without solving I have done this problem, and your answer in this case is 6, in the previous case is 0.25. So like this you have to decide whether it is a shortest time or shortest path. Hope you have enjoyed and understood the problem easily. Thank you.